Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to create an account on Zable. So in order to create an account on Zable, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So then to begin with, you could go ahead and install the application or open up a browser. And on the web address bar, you could go ahead and type in zable.co.uk. And that's going to take you to the official web page, which is going to look something like this. Now here you need to go ahead and tap the try bar icon from the top right hand side corner, and then you need to press the sign up button. After that, you could go ahead and tap the sign up button, and when you click on it, this is going to take you to the sign up field. Then you'll likely be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and possibly a phone number. You can follow the prompt to enter these information and then choose a username and a password for your Zable account. Make sure your password is strong. You need to enhance account security as well, and depending on the app setup, you may need to verify your email address or phone number to complete the registration process. You could go ahead and follow the instruction provided to do so. And after providing all the required information and verifying your email or phone number, you should successfully register and logged into your Zable account. So that is how you can create a Zable account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.